Number 23. Which substances are excreted from the human body? So things that are excreted from our body are considered toxic materials. So carbon dioxide is, of course, can be toxic to us if it gets accumulated, because increasing carbon dioxide decreases pH, because it actually makes this carbonic acid, which is acid, and of course decreased pH causes denaturation of enzymes and so on. So it's not good. So yes, carbon dioxide gets excreted. Urea, of course, it's not a good thing, and it should be excreted. So 1 and 2. Anything that contains 1 and 2. But water, well, you have to say that water gets excreted from the body. I mean, it's not really toxic, but having too much water can actually become problematic in our body. It can increase our blood pressure. Even though it's not really toxic material, it can actually damage, or it can be harmful to our body. It does get excreted with others, with these two, not with these two. So urea and water get combined with the excess salt, which creates urine. So I would say C is the right answer. Okay, they all get excreted out. They all get removed from our body. So we can safely say that the water gets excreted from the human body.